Sometimes you just know. Some houses you walk in, first step, you take a look around and you're like, this is the one. Guess what? This house is exactly that. I'm Joe Wiessner. I've been selling South Jersey since 2002. This is 7 Rachel Court, Hammonton, New Jersey, Blueberry Ridge, over 55. This is one of those houses that's immaculately kept, and I'm going to share the details with you right now. Let's take a look. This is 7 Rachel. It's got 2 beds and it's got 2 full baths. Beautiful little seating area. Have a nice sunset view. And it's got 1,270 square foot. And as soon as you walk in, it's just like you're walking into a cloud. Beauty, soft, delicate, lovely condition. This would be, you could use it as an office like the seller has it, or of course you could use it as a bedroom. Seller has upgraded all of the hardware. You can see the lovely knobs and the door hinges. You have the full bath that services the second bedroom. The ceilings are 9-foot ceilings, and what's outstanding is you have crown moldings throughout the entire house, professionally done. I can't see a gap anywhere in that work. You have the chipboard wall. You have a window wall to the backyard, patio, gleaming, 9-foot ceilings, thick baseboard moldings, everything tight. Coming around this way, you have a seating area, easily accommodates 4, and you have a path through the slider. Check this out. Don't need to do anything, just bring your furniture. This is a little bit bigger lot than typical. You'll also have a nice sight line and space for if you have guests that come over, kids, they could play out in that green grassy area. And coming back in, it's really a lovely vantage point. You have the flooring, gleaming, perfect, granite countertops, black gooseneck faucet, and then stainless steel everything. 42-inch cabinets, more crowns all the way through. Plenty of space here for your culinary and entertainment needs. You have the laundry room. You got your furnace HVAC behind, and you have 2-car garage. It's got the flecked floor, plenty of power coming in, your irrigation, and you could see how meticulous the seller is. All of the contents organized, and that gives you some insight into how they keep the entire property. Workbench, all good. Now let's check out the master bedroom suite. 9-foot ceilings, low windows, flooring in excellent shape. Don't need to do anything. And then of course you have your full bathroom, stand-up shower, tile surround, tile floor, double vanity, crown moldings, and it's got its own walk-in closet. Plenty of open vented shelving, plenty of room for storage. So hopefully you love this property as much as I do. If you do, give us a like or give us a subscribe, and you'll be able to see all the new properties coming out. This is 7 Rachel Court. It's on a cul-de-sac street. It's not exactly in the cul-de-sac, but it's in the neck of the cul-de-sac. The clubhouse is right over there. It's $165 a month as far as the HOA fees are concerned, much cheaper than all the other big time HOAs in South Jersey, 55 plus. And it has all the amenities plus a bonus. The seller installed a new roof just 2 months ago, something that you're not gonna have to worry about. That big expense has already been taken care of for you. The house is immaculate. You could eat off the floors in this one. This is something that the seller has taken great pride in, and you could move right in and take advantage of all of that built-in equity that the seller's already provided. Lovely patio, lovely interior, crown moldings, 9-foot ceilings, you name it, this property has it. I'm Joe Wiessner. I've been selling South Jersey since 2002. Over 4,000 families assisted in South Jersey. I could help you too. Don't hesitate to DM, text, or call me. Thank you so much for watching.